Recording started.
Constant guard run, guys.
Oh, they're looking.
Nag-gain siya, nag-gain siya.
Keep bashing, guys. 28%. We're going to hit west, west northwest in 5. Northwest on the healer. Hold, no, never mind. Cancel. Back. Northwest in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Shallow now. Hit the guy na. Hit this guy. Kill this guy. Party 2, engage in 3, in 2, in 1. On the skull. Okay. Party 2, just follow, you can just follow after the party 1 engage, okay?
Kudagrad day 10.
Okay. How's an upper class? I mean, wala pa rin ba? Constant guard rules on the meat boys.
Kitong pro boxer.
Ay! Keep bashing.
Hindi, okay lang paubos ng guards mamaya sa ano.
Sa north?
Dito, sa pagpasok.
Yes. Okay.
Ay, naiipit eh.
D-tanks yung mag-aagro niya. D-tanks, tapos i-lure natin outside.
Kinakaya mo yung ano, tinapay.
Keep bashing. DPS, your safe spot is southeast of the tree, okay? Southeast.
Tagal lang.
Actually, let's hit northeast over the wall in 5. Directly north in 4, 3, in 2, in 1, 12 o'clock north. Party 2, hit also.
Uy, bash. Putangay na.
Para mabawasan na yung guards. Keep back, okay?
Ilang percent na lang ba?
60%.
Putangay na.
Shit.
We're going to siege slow, boys, okay? So we're going to keep on clearing everything on the path before we...
Yeah, they upgrade too much. Level 8. On level 8.
Oh my god, how come the guards are...
Upper class daw.
Where? Where's upper class?
Huh?
Again, upper class? Anong meron? Info? Upper class?
Huh?
Hello?
Hello?
Hindi nagsabi upper class kasi. Wala.
Or it's MDA8 ata.
Wala daw sa tit eh, sabi ni Janix.
Ano pala yung sabi nung nagbigay ng info?
Oh, it's about to break.
Level 8 daw eh.
Only D-tanks will come first, okay?
Sa loob.
Hold, D-tanks come first. D-tanks only. Try to lure all the guards, D-tanks. Hold. Okay. Hold.
Walang
So we're going to hit southeast in 5, 4, inside in 3, in 2, and 1. All parties now. Clear the guards. Just spread. Take space southwest. If they're going to engage, do not funnel on the choke southeast, okay? You can spread out north, east, and south, okay? Nag-hit ba kayo party 2 or no?
I don't know with them. Ako hindi ako nag-hit.
Full party, all parties, engage on the crown in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Hit the crown now, everyone.
nabuhay sa pocket.
GAs and 100 arcane, keep watching northwest, okay? Actually,
level 12 na sila.
I'm gonna start bashing the gate.
Ikaw na magano. Boss, ano?
D-tanks and 100 arcane. Can you guard runes over, Dep. We're going to hit over the wall. Northwest in 5. Northwest in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Northwest now. Okay, keep clearing the guards, boys. Keep clearing the guards.
Yung mage din.
Headbutt ka agad din para
Keep clearing the guards.
Pag na-clear na.
Hold. Everyone, hit the crown in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Hit the crown na.
Nice one.
Push and W's. 100 arcane GA, watch my northwest. I'm gonna start bashing now.
Tagal.
Hold, dep. We're going to engage northwest in 5, northwest in 4, in 3, on this golem, in 2, in 1, northwest now. Kill this golem, kill this smart. Party 2 ready, party 2 engage in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1, on the golem.
Hindi ko mahata.
All guys melee.
Katay nyo mga guards mo stay, no? Level 8 to.
Come back to east. Just spread inside.
Huwag nyo hit yung pro boxer.
Do not hit pro boxer.
Alisin nyo kasi yan.
I mean, I'm not sure.
Unti lang sila, boss. Baka nagpapastock lang talaga.
Engaging.
Defend up front, heals on northwest.
Kissing, guys.
DPS, you don't have to inch up, okay? You don't have to inch up. Just spread on my southeast. So, supports and healers can focus on the gate, on the front line, okay? No need to, just spread east. Just spread east.
Hindi ko na ano.
Keep bashing, keep bashing, keep bashing.
Focus mage tayo.
Hold. Oh no, basic. Wait, there's another HP.
Makita yung target nila. Ano na yan?
DPS, come to crown nga. DPS, go to the Kestrel place. Can you see Kestrel, south, hard south? So you can over the wall. We're going to headbutt these boys. Oh, def now. Okay, look northwest, shallow in 5. Northwest in 4. In 3, in 2, in 1. Northwest now.
Then, bilisan mo na lang. Kami na mag-adjust.
3, 2, 1 na
Headbutt mo
lang.
na agad.
Kami na mag-adjust.
Okay, one more. Keep bashing. Hold. It's a fake perma. Do not stand on the blazing, boys. Keep bashing. Hold. Def. Demon now. Northwest in 5. After the J in 4. In 3. In 2. In 1. Northwest now.
Tayo.
Ayan, kill that guy. Nice.
Nice.
Keep bashing.
In-engagean kayo na. Wala kang second engage.
Yes. Sabay na lang kayo. I think we can bypass their defensives. The door's about to break. D-tanks kindly aggro the guards. Only D-tanks will come inside, okay? Only D-tanks. Hold. DPS southeast. Hold. Spread. Spread southeast, Spread southeast. Okay, hold. We're going to hit guards, okay? Hit the guards in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Shallow now. Hit the crown now.
Don't aggro the mage.
Don't aggro the mage, boss.
Do not aggro the mage. Everyone come southeast now. Exit.
Let's
We
probe
go out.
guys.
We need to leash the Protect what do you call this? Protect the purples, boys. They're too deep. Hold. The mage leashed already.
Leash the mage, guys. Just
Hold. Me soldiers po ba southwest?
Yung mage dito sa baba.
ito, dami.
Binumbog po.
Party 1, Agila, come northwest. We're going to clear this side. Hit the crown in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit the crown na. Watch my west, boys. DPS, Great Arcanes, 100 Arcane D-tanks. Watch my west. D-tanks, do not aggro the mage, okay? Do not aggro the mage. Hold. Okay, come north, DPS. Come north.
West mo na siya.
Where's the mage right now?
Ay, na-engagean
We're
yung
going to hit southwest. Hold. 5 seconds. Look southwest on the mage in 5, in 4, in 3,
Engaging
2,
in
in 1. Southwest now. Everyone, full engage. We're going to delete this. Then Demo now. Drop Judy. Kite northeast now. Kite northeast and east. Okay, we spread. No, your safe spot is north and east. Okay, then southeast. Spread.
Ito,
Ganitong mage, oh.
ito din.
Hold. Actually, party 2 come north nga. Party 2 come north. Clear that soldier. Party 2 come north.
No
Okay.
foot check yet.
Okay,
Okay, sige pa, clear mo na ng ano.
Hold. We're going to hit inside in 5. Party 1 in 4. In 3, in 2, in 1. Clear the guards first. All the guards. Clear the guards.
Can we kill the my in the south?
Wait. There's a guard south. Okay.
My.
Okay. Let's try to clear everything first. Okay? So we can move freely. 100 Arcanes, D-tanks, watch my northwest, okay? Just stop them if they try to engage. Hold, Kishan doubles inside you. We're going to hit west, okay? West, on the mage.
Aggro yung mage,
West in 4, shallow in 3, in 2, in 1, only on the mage now. Nice one, nice. And heal up, come east. Party 2 you can stay north. Party 2 you can stay north. Heals on the west, boys. Heals on the west.
Ow!
Heals on the west.
Hinging sila.
Heals on the west. Everyone come southeast. Leash the mage.
Heal.
Hold the front, D-tanks. Hold the front.
May red sa loob.
Are we good? Okay, we're going to full engage shallow. Shallow on the crown in 5. Shallow on 4. In 3, in 2, in 1. Hit the crown now. Full engage. All parties. Then brawl this guy on the skull. Brawl this guy. They're looking. Spread north, spread south. Spread north and spread south. Hold.
Yung mage, boss.
Hold. Come southeast nga, come southeast. Let's leash the mage. Okay, it's leash already. Stabilize. Come inside.
Yan.
Come inside. Hold.
Ginihila yung mage, oh.
Hold. Party 2 engage on the mage. Party 2 shallow in 5. On the west in 4. In 3. In 1. Party 2 only. Shallow. Maybe they will try to engage. Hold. Okay, west. Look west. Party 1 in 5. In 4. West in 3. Southwest in 2. In 1. Delete this shit. Delete this, boys. Okay, good hit now. Then come back.
Demon.
Heals on the west.
Enigmatic ito rin, enigmatic ito.
Heals on the west.
Enigmatic.
Help them. Come east. Hard northeast. Then stabilize here. Heals on the west inside it. Party 2, are you ready? Party 2, engage on the mage. West, shallow. Hold. After the firewall. After the blazing. Okay. Shallow west on the mage in 5. 4. West in 3. In 2. In 1. Hit the mage now.
Nahit sila ng ano, bomb squad.
Okay.
Northwest
Northwest.
sila.
Okay. We're going to hit northwest. Party 1. Hold. Northwest in 5. Northwest in 4. Deep in 3. In 2. In 1. Deep now. Hit this boy. Then come back fast. Come back east fast.
Yung mage din.
Pills. Actually,
Mage, boss.
focus the mage.
Nagdi-dip ka, may mage sa harap.
Pick up.
Mamamatay
He's up
ka
front.
pag magaling yung kalaban.
He's up front. Can I drag this mage or no?
Dedeclarean lang naman natin. Kunin
Okay,
natin bukas.
party 2, you're going to hit the mage, okay? Party 2, in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, party 2 now, hit the mage. Okay, party 1, hit the mage in 5, in 4, I'm gonna drag this guy, in 3, in 2, hit the mage now. Here's one, Lemon. Oh my god, I died. No, I got knocked back. Protect me, boys, protect me.
Down, someone.
Stabilize, boys, stabilize. Heal up, party 2.
Nice.
Mission.
Try to revive me. Hold. Depend. Okay, party 2. Everyone, party 1. West in 5. West, northwest in 4. In 3. In 2. In 1. Sige lang, keep rolling.
Engage, go.
Keep rolling.
Wala.
Northwest. Okay, stabilize here. Stabilize on the mage.
Tower.
On the tower. Stabilize.
Tower guys, come back to tower.
Come back.
Someone can revive me. Great Oli.
Stabilize, please.
Stabilize here. They cannot contest anymore.
Kill niyo yung guard sa loob.
Focus tayo sa...
someone
Kill
can
the goods.
Try to revive me.
Queue up, guys.
Sino nag-swap na?
Pila.
Come on. Let us know if may nag-swap na.
Yeah.
Engage
2
nyo.
down, there's 2 down guys.
Okay, we're going to hit the mage west in 5. West in 4, in 3. Everyone, fully engage. In 1. Hit west now. Ano declarean to?
Tanongin mo.
Huwag mong declare,
No, declare.
raid mo lang.
Sinabi nga, ano mo na, don't
Kasi yung, where's the banner? Can I have the banner? Raid lang, no? Okay, where's the banner?
Bawal declare.
Nandiyan na sa'yo sa harap, boss day. Nandito.
Kill the ano guys. Kill the
Sa harap mo.
Ayun. I'm gonna...
Kill the mage. Ayan.
Yeah.
May mage pa sa
Okay, we're
gitna.
going to hit, hold. I'm gonna... close this. Okay, hit north in 5. Full party in 4. In 3, in 2, in 1, drop everything. Full DPS. Use and doubles inside you. I'm gonna raid this place.
Mage raid.
Huwag mong bigyan ng opening yung kalaban din. Nagdi-dip ka, may mage
Oo,
sa harap mo.
mali nga din. Kaya ako namatay. I'm getting cancelled, why?
May ano, may...
Okay. Hit the crown in 5. In 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit the crown na.
Oh.
I'm gonna raid it.
Buti
Ano kasi,
natin yun.
na-hit kasi ng bomb squad, I think. So parang feeling ko wala silang
Pro boxer yan guys. Pro boxer.
Do not hit pro boxer, my boys.
Dave, na-hit sila ng bomb squad, may time ka mag-take ng mage kasi may opening na yun na binigay ng bomb squad.
Greedy yung ginawa ko. No? Okay, I understand. My bad.
Hindi rin ako
Kasi-
tumuloy dun eh.
Mag-CD sila, tapos nasa harap ka pa, may mage. Huwag mo i-underestimate. Pag magaling yung kalaban mo na caller, sobrang wipe
Agila
out
take
ka dun.
the ano. Take the loot. Sus looting.
Ako.
Papulit ng gamit.
Hindi pala ako makakalot.
Loot up, officers.
Northeast.
We bring this to... Actually, I don't know. We have to bring this. Saan ba dapat to? Calvin.
Wag
Ay,
to. Wag, boss day.
Any info? Kamusta, Janix? No?
Sa
Hindi
quag,
yun
sa
nag-static.
quag yan yung ano.
Din, static.
Guild chat. UC just doing tier 7 content.
Din, static mic mo.
Ay, sorry. Hello? Okay na ba?
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine.
My bad.
Please bring to Quag, guys.
Tinatanong ng Proboxer kung no lunch ba daw.
Gusto ata nila kunin.
So ata nila kunin eh.
Ano ba? Gusto ko nga i-lunch eh.
Wag, sabi
Hindi nga
ni
pwede.
Ski, wag.
Declare lang.
Kaya nagsabi na
declare.
Check officer shot.
Mag-message ka tapos dibugin lang sa yung reply. One minute agad.
Ano ni Spark? Ni Spark, mag-mount ka na huy.
Pilit na yung pag-iitan.
Uy, na-DC to si Mia, oh.
Uy, ano yan?
Na-DC.
Where's Mia? I think Mia is
Chariot yan,
using chariot
Huh?
boys.
I'm fine. What?
Oh, you
Henrik
really?
is DC.
Yeah, this is.
Okay. It's Henrik the LC on point.
Did someone die or no? Wala naman, diba?
Wala.
May namatay ba?
Inubos pala natin yung mage boost eh, no? May tatlo pa. Tayo.